How to clean stainless steel. In this video we'll explore the best methods for cleaning stainless steel, including appliances, sinks, pans, fridges, and jewelry. Cleaning stainless steel appliances. Start by wiping down the surface of the appliance with a soft, damp cloth to remove any loose debris or dirt. For stubborn stains or fingerprints, use a mild detergent or stainless steel cleaner applied with a soft cloth or sponge. Always wipe in the direction of the grain to avoid scratching the surface. For extra shine, finish by buffing the appliance with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Cleaning stainless steel sink. To clean a stainless steel sink, begin by rinsing it with warm water to remove any food particles or residue. Sprinkle baking soda over the surface of the sink, then scrub gently with a soft bristled brush or sponge. Rinse thoroughly with water and dry with a clean towel to prevent water spots. For added shine, polish the sink with a few drops of olive oil applied with a soft cloth. Cleaning stainless steel pans. After each use, wash stainless steel pans with warm, soapy water and a sponge or dishcloth. For stuck-on food or residue, soak the pan in warm, soapy water for 15 to 20 minutes before scrubbing with a nylon scrubber or brush. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or scrubbers, as they can scratch the surface of the pan. Dry the pan thoroughly with a towel to prevent water spots and corrosion. Cleaning stainless steel fridge. To clean a stainless steel fridge, start by wiping down the exterior with a soft, damp cloth to remove dust and dirt. Use a mild detergent or stainless steel cleaner applied with a soft cloth to remove fingerprints and smudges. Wipe in the direction of the grain to avoid scratching the surface, then dry with a clean towel. For stubborn stains or residue, apply a paste made of baking soda and water, then scrub gently with a soft bristled brush before rinsing and drying. Cleaning stainless steel jewelry. To clean stainless steel jewelry, mix a few drops of mild dish soap with warm water in a bowl. Soak the jewelry in the soapy water for a few minutes, then gently scrub with a soft bristled toothbrush or cloth. Rinse thoroughly with water and dry with a clean towel to prevent water spots. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or brushes, as they can scratch the surface of the jewelry. With these simple yet effective cleaning techniques, you can keep your stainless steel appliances, sinks, pans, fridges, and jewelry looking shiny and new. For more helpful tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.